explained grenade launcher. Accelerate speed, because the equation of speed is speed equals distance times time. From the calculations of the last video, I will show you those calculations here. I measured the distance he covered in, I didn't know the unit of time then. Right now I know it's as a zyposecond, but then I didn't know the unit of time, which unit of time I was supposed to use. So I measured the distance, got it as 400 kilometers that he went. Yes, it might be calculated using circles, stuff like that. I did see, maybe I should use a circle one, just like how I used for Sonic. Then the first Sonic video I did, not the first, like the Sonic Prime video I did, but then I said I don't know a place where he ran in a circle that was perfect enough to use as one in a calculation. So now, because I don't know the amount of time, yes, I know the distance, but I don't know the amount of time. So I did try to knock out some suspects. It can't be an hour, a day, or a week. It can be a minute, a second, and a millisecond, an attosecond. It must have been, I googled what was the smallest unit of time. Then it gave me a zyposecond. So I did math and saw it must be right. It must be a zyposecond. That must be the unit of time we're missing. So then I plugged it in. Speed equals distance times time. So now I did 400 kilometers times 1 zyposecond will equal 4,000 kilometers traveled in 1 zyposecond. It's not that fluent, as you can see. It's not that fluently taken, but it's the answer there. So then we go to the amount of velocity. From where I got it is distance divided by time. So 400 divided by 1 is just still 400 kilometers in 1 zyposecond. So it is consistent among all the calculations. There's this one that I did for acceleration. From where I got it, acceleration is stop triangle. For how long the velocity divide by time, and the velocity minus 1 from the velocity. So if the velocity was 400 kilometers per zyposecond, to get the acceleration there, I minus it by 1, it's 399 kilometers per zyposecond. Divide by 1 the amount of time it went, 1 zyposecond. So I got this one. The acceleration is 39. Still don't know the units there. Now time for Fastrack speed. The speed equals distance times time. I know you spent 200 kilometers in 1 zyposecond also. This one is more easier to find, as I would be able to see evidence. So that means velocity is 200 kilometers per zyposecond. His acceleration is 39. Is 199. Still don't know the unit. Come again to another video. Let's explain grenade launcher time. Ow!